If you're serious about creating better videos, this is the camera I'd recommend.
The video you just saw was totally generated with AI. I did not use any camera, I did not edit the video manually. I basically did not even pay anybody to help me do it. It was all done with AI and it was generated the same way we just chat with Chatgpt and everything comes to life. But in your mind, it needs a lot of expensive gear and serious editing. It doesn't at all, and I'm going to show you how I was able to make this one that I made. All you just have to do is to have a picture of the product that you want to use, or the picture of the product you want to talk about or create the ad about, and then use this one AI website I'm about to tell you. Now, the tool is Flova AI. Flova AI is specifically an AI native video platform that is built specifically for making adverts, UGC content, and product videos. Everything basically happens in one place. You do not need a bunch of applications to do everything for you. Alright, without talking much, let me show you how you can be able to generate one of these videos for yourself. Let's go. So basically, the website that we are going to be using throughout this our video generation is Flova.ai. So you go to Flova.ai, or you could use the link that I've dropped in the description. Now, when you go to Flova.ai, what I would always tell you to do is to sign in, or you sign up with your email immediately. Immediately you sign up, you would get 100 points, that is 100 credits that you can be able to use to generate videos or do whatever you want to do on the platform. If you want to get extra credits when you sign up into Flova, you can use my link that I've dropped in the description, and when you sign in using it, you would get 200 extra credits. Now, one thing you should notice, when you sign into Flova and you do all the sign up process, you get an extra 200 credits for this. When you open the platform, this is what it looks like. Flova 1.0, your personal AI agent partner. Then you will see reference to video, product commercial, script to video, narrative. There are a lot of things there. So basically, these two videos are the two videos that I used to check out this platform to make sure that yes, this platform actually works. Now, these are also templates that you can be able to use to generate your videos, right? These are the projects. This is the project icon so that you will be able to see the projects that you have worked on. Now you can be able to see these are the two projects that I have worked on. And then this is the generator field where you can be able to generate videos. So you come here, you see video generation, image generation, music generation, and audio generation. Basically, you could be able to generate whatever you want on this platform without going out to any other platform. And in this video, we are going to be doing more of the video generation. So to continue with this, we'll need to get our prompts. Getting our prompts is the first thing. But remember, we are trying to create a video that we'll be able to use for our product. Now, the UGC video ad that I'm going to be making, I'm going to be using the Sony ZV-E10. So basically, I'm going to show you how I started it from scratch to the end. And yes, this video is in no way sponsored by Sony, right? So this is me just doing my thing because I just like the Sony product and I do not have any products available again that I will be using for this. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to click on the avatar product ad. Basically, this is more like the UGC ad. I would click on it, and immediately I click on it, you can see that it has come up here notifying Flova that what I actually want to create is an avatar product advertisement. So first of all, before I even start adding my prompt, I would need to input the picture of my product. Basically, you can input the picture of whatever product you're selling. So it might be your perfume, it might be whatever product. So immediately I put it. Now I have two things that are now down on my timeline. It is now remaining for me to put my prompts. Now for me, I will tell you, immediately you write whatever you want. Flova AI would help you to generate it from scratch, and you will keep chatting with this Flova AI agent, right? But for me, I want something that is extremely detailed. Now, if there's one thing I feel everybody should know, it is this one thing. If you can be able to use AI to generate your prompt, you would get the perfect, like whatever you're looking for, you will get it perfectly. So what I'm going to be using to generate my own prompt will be Chatgpt. So basically, you could actually use Claude AI to generate your own. Give me a script I can use to generate a UGC video ad. The product is a Sony ZV-E10. I will upload the picture. Give me a prompt I will use to generate an ad with very catchy dynamic angles that will make someone want to buy the products. You would also generate a second prompt I will use to generate a video where I have a character hold the camera and talk for 15 seconds about it, right? Now, for me, basically, if you want to be working on two videos, this is what you could be able to do. do, so that you will not need to write one prompt for the first video and then another prompt for the second one. Let the outcome be in ratio 16:9. And why I'm doing it in ratio 16:9 is majorly because this is a YouTube video. Now I'll send it and wait for Chatgpt to give me its response. Now basically the one I'm going to be using is the second one, the one that has a human being in it, right? So this is create a realistic UGC video in 16:9 featuring a confident young content creator standing in a bright modern room. So basically this is the prompt it has given me. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this prompt from beginning to end. Then I would go back to Flova AI, which I'm using. Now that I'm back to Flova AI, all I have to just do is to paste the prompt that I have copied from Chatgpt. Now I can come down to this place and then choose the model that I want it to generate my videos for me. That is generally everything that I have for this. So what I just have to do is I'll click on the generate icon and wait for Flova to do its work. So as Flova has come open, what you can see is you can see the dashboard of where everything is going to be happening, and you can see the chat section. Now this chat section is where you would be able to have a deep conversation with Flova AI, more like Chatgpt. The way Chatgpt is, you talk to it, it gives you a response. You talk to it, it gives you a response. It's still the same thing with Flova AI. You talk to it, it gives you a response. You like something, you tell it. You want it to change something, you also tell it. Now I've gone through the prompts that I gave it. It now told me I've loaded the avatar product ad workflow. You could just go through it yourself. Your product image and complete English script are ready for use. For this spokesperson-led ad, I recommend Omni Human 1.5. Now you see it is recommending the model that is best for me to use. All right, let's do the one with Sidans 2.0, and immediately we click it, we click on send, and Flova AI starts to do its thing once more. One interesting thing about this is as it's doing it, it's giving you a response so that you know what exactly is going on with the AI, right? It doesn't just roam and give you a direct answer. It roams and then it tells you what it's doing while it is roaming. Now you can see the video spec is ready. Now what Flova AI is basically doing, it is coming up with the storyboard and everything that would have to make the video very catchy and nice. So as you can see, all the assets and media for this video has been generated. As you know from the beginning, what we only gave it was the picture of the camera, right? That was the picture of the camera. It has generated our AI influencer, it has generated the background, right? And it has even generated more cameras that we could use. It's generating everything that we would be using to generate this video, to make the video come to life. And as you can see, it has started keyframing the main image while it is still generating the video. Let us go through the picture that it generated for us. So this AI avatar, it was Nano Banana that was used to generate it, Nano Banana Pro, and the output of this our AI avatar was in 2K. So it is now done generating all the assets. It started by generating our AI influencer in the 9:16 format. Then it now generated the camera once again. It now generated the background, that's the background. It now generated the AI influencer in our background. Right now you can see it took a step-to-step process and it generated it in a 16:9 format. Now you can see the first one is in a vertical format for short forms, and then you know what we told it was we want the output of our ratio to be in 16:9. So that is what it basically did here. And as you can see, it said please review the visuals. Once you're approved, I will create the spokesperson delivery. So I don't really need to go round with all this, so I'll just say go ahead and I will send it. Now before our video comes to life, everything has to come to life, from the voiceover to the background music to the audio narration, like everything that is going to be used for the video. And that is what Flova is basically doing. If you see here, now it is done generating the background music. It is also done generating what our AI influencer is going to say, and it is actually asking for approval. Anyways, let's go ahead. So before my last generation, it said asset generation failed. Sidans 2.04K high credits usage confirmation required. So basically, for me to be able to use Sidans 2.04 2.0 4K model, it will take up a lot of credits. So they're telling me I can opt for the 720p instead, and let's just go with the 720p. It's not still bad, right? So everything is now being generated. Now it told me the 5 visual scenes are ready, 4 creator-led narration sync segments plus a 4K animated end. Please review the scenes before the final edit. So I'll tell it, go ahead with the final edit. Let's go. Now it has put everything together for me. Let us play the video and see what we have. Now, funny enough, after doing all the edits, after going back and forth, it brought the video into its own timeline, meaning I could be able to edit this video manually in any way I see fit. Let's play and see what we have.
If you're serious about creating better videos, this is the camera I'd recommend. The Sony ZV-E10 gives you incredible image quality.
So I think the video is okay for me the way it is. I just come, I do not like the end, I just click on the timeline and I click on delete. I delete this part of the video because I do not need it. Then I come to the audio. I could just adjust the audio and adjust the background music to fit, and that is all. Easy peasy. This can be done for any products, not just the ZV-E10 or the camera. Can be done using any product, and you can do any other manual editing you want to do on the platform. Now, if you're thinking about upgrading and doing a lot much more with Flova AI, this is where the pricing comes in. There's also the team plan, which you and your friends can join money to do. Anyways, I think you should actually try it out because this is actually going to reduce a lot of workload for you, especially if you want to go into AI UGC video creation. And basically, if you want to take this AI thing very seriously, use the link in the description once again so that you could gain direct access to Flova AI and start getting credits and being creative. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this video if it was helpful, and do well to share it to your friends so that they could start using Flova AI, start generating stuff, and start making money from this internet. Anyways, I'm sure this video was helpful. I will see you in my next video, and as always, peace.